Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between equity and stock. Both terms are closely related to ownership in a business, but they have different meanings, characteristics, and implications for investors. Let us understand these differences in a simple and systematic way. Number 1. Equity is the ownership or residual interest in the assets of a company, whereas stock is a share or certificate that represents ownership in a company. Number 2. Equity represents the actual ownership claim on a company's assets and earnings, whereas stock is the document or security that signifies that ownership. Number 3. Equity is a broader concept that includes ownership interest in a business, whereas stock is a narrower term that specifically refers to shares issued by a company. Number 4. Equity can exist even without issuing shares, such as in partnerships or sole proprietorships, whereas stock exists only when a company issues shares. Number 5. Equity holders generally possess ownership rights and control over business decisions, whereas voting rights in stock depend on whether the stock is common or preferred. Number 6. Equity owners are entitled to residual profits after all liabilities are settled, whereas stockholders receive dividends when declared by the company. Number 7. Returns from equity are not fixed and depend on the company's performance, whereas returns from certain types of stock, such as preferred stock, may be fixed or predetermined. Number 8. Equity usually involves a higher level of risk because returns are uncertain, whereas some forms of stock carry relatively lower risk due to regular dividend payments. Number 9. Equity is generally associated with long-term ownership and participation in business growth, whereas stock may be held for either short-term trading or long-term investment. Number 10. Equity is often less liquid and may not be easily converted into cash, whereas stock is highly liquid and can be bought or sold through stock exchanges. Number 11. Equity ownership may involve transfer restrictions in some businesses, whereas stock is usually freely transferable in public markets. Number 12. Equity holders have a residual claim on company assets after liabilities are paid, whereas stock itself serves primarily as evidence of ownership rather than a direct asset claim. Number 13. Equity holders are considered the true owners of the business, whereas stockholders hold ownership through the shares they possess. Number 14. The value of equity increases with company growth and profitability, whereas stock prices fluctuate based on market demand, supply, and investor sentiment. Number 15. Equity gains are generally taxed when profits are realized, whereas stock dividends may be subject to taxation according to applicable tax laws. In simple words, equity refers to the ownership interest itself, whereas stock is the financial instrument or share that represents that ownership. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this comparison helped you clearly understand the differences between equity and stock. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.